Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening Google Calendar. Make sure you're in the correct time zone so events land at the right time. Once signed in, enable Calendar Sync in Settings and pick your primary calendar to avoid duplicate entries. If you use work or school accounts, add them now through Add Account so you get a unified view. This prevents missed events and makes sharing consistent across devices and domains. Create events with the Create button or quick add by typing natural language like Lunch with Sam tomorrow 1 p.m. This speeds setup. Once done, add guests and enable conferencing, Google Meet. When you expect remote participants, include location and attach files to centralize info. Make sure to use color coding and custom reminders to visually organize your calendar, and set repeat rules for recurring items so you don't rebuild the same event every week or month. Organize by creating separate calendars, work, personal projects, and layer them in the view so you can toggle visibility for focus. Share calendars with specific permissions, give view only to most, edit to collaborators, and manage sharing for admins. This controls who can change events. If sync fails or events duplicate, first check device account sync and internet. Then verify you didn't subscribe to the same calendar twice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.